Welcome back to the channel. Today's docket is packed from double parking to suspended licenses, from drug paraphernalia charges to missed court dates, and yes, even a defendant trying to juggle college tuition and court fines at the same time. Stay tuned, because one case takes a surprising emotional turn, while another ends with a judge issuing an immediate bench warrant. This is going to be a roller coaster of legal twists you do not want to miss.
Court does call the case of the people versus Eugene Campbell.
It's the township.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. Campbell. Mr. Campbell, state your name for the record, please.
Eugene Campbell Jr.
Okay. You feel good now? All right.
The good news is we haven't agreed.
Okay, see?
Yeah.
It all works. You need to thank her.
So I'm gonna add a count to double parking. He's gonna be responsible for that. Hopefully he'll go to the driver's license appeal and be successful.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you, prosecutor.
Mr. Campbell, do you admit responsibility to the fact that on April 20th, 2025, location of Gulfside Road in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, court will accept that admission to count two. Count one is dismissed. Fines and costs of $180.
Here's a quick breakdown. Count 1 is dismissed, meaning the most serious charge just vanished for Campbell. The $180 fine for double parking might sound steep, but in court terms, that's a slap on the wrist. And did you catch the judge's subtle humor? This is how you balance maintaining authority while keeping the courtroom human.
Now, we don't need to pass the plate, do we?
No, sir.
No, I'm just kidding.
Sir, Your Honor, can you give me 90 days? I got to send my daughter to college.
Oh, where's she going?
She going to Ohio State.
Oh.
Sorry.
You know, I don't know. Prayers are gonna help. She's going to Ohio State?
Yes.
Freshman?
Yes.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yes.
Okay, why did she pick Ohio State?
You need to talk to her. It's out of my hands.
Well, that's good though. She's going to school, right?
Yes.
So
Yes,
that's the important part. You know, she wanted to go to a second-rate school. That's fine. No. That's her business. Okay. So you need
Need at least 90 days because I got to work on her.
Pardon?
My daughter. Need at least 90 days.
Is this your daughter that's going?
No, that's my wife.
That's your wife?
Yes.
Okay. So you say you need 90 days. Why? Because you got to pay for it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, all right. Anybody that's had kids and send them to school, we knew what that was. You just need to tell me.
Yes.
All right, let's do this.
Thank you, Honor.
Ma'am, I trust you. If I give you a date in the future, you're gonna make sure he pays it? I don't trust you. I do. Get it paid before the end of the year, the
Thank you.
31st, okay? That way, that'll give you some breathing room.
I appreciate
All right,
it.
congratulations to your daughter and congratulations to you too for, you know, creating that product, nurturing it and making sure that she can go to school. To me, that's beautiful.
Thank you, Honor.
And you do have a wonderful wife. I do not know her, but when everything was going on that was going on, I could see, and I meant it. I said it kind of as a joke, that she was sitting up there praying. She knew she had to come up here. And then when the hands came up, I said, oh. But I could feel it. All right. You guys take care of each other.
Thank you, Honor.
Take care, man.
Thanks.
Court calls case people versus Esther Capper.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Ms. Capper.
Oh, there she is. Ma'am, can you state your name, please?
Esther Capper.
Thank you.
You're requesting adjournment for plea negotiations.
August 6, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you, Ms. Capper.
Thank you.
Court calls the case People versus Alonzo Doss.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
Defendant Natalie Pate on behalf of Mr. Doss, who should be present via Zoom. Sir.
How you doing, Ron? Okay, there he is. I need a camera, sir. Oh, there you go. State your name.
Alonzo Doss.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm respectfully requesting an adjournment. I did discuss what discovery I have with my client. I don't yet have any media discovery. I did, yesterday, Ms. Landia, regarding that, so I requested an adjournment so I can proceed and review that with my client.
All right. August 6th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. All right, thank you, Mr. Doss.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Thank you.
Court calls the case People versus Heather Wright.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate on behalf of Ms. Wright, who is present via Zoom.
Yeah. Heather Wright.
Yes,
she's
I'm
here.
here, Your Honor.
All righty, thank you. State your name, please, for me.
Heather Wright.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
Thank you, Your Honor. I am requesting an adjournment for the same reason as before, to receive and to review the media with Ms. Wright.
August 6th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Wright.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is that it for Ms.
Yes.
Landy?
that is.
That's it for Ms. Landy? Okay, Ms. Landy, thank you. Apologize about the mix-up and everything.
Oh, just thank you for accommodating me, Your Honor. I'll see you in the morning. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Court does call the case People versus Mitchell Carr.
Conrad Similar on behalf of Simpson Township.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, this is a show cause.
They were both ordered to show cause. Your name?
Mitchell Carr, C-A-R.
Okay. All right. So you are before the court on 2 misdemeanor citations. It looks like 2, or are they the same one? 2 misdemeanor citations. The first one being in the case ending in 0671 is a charge of driving while license suspended, denied, and or revoked. That is a misdemeanor. You understand the nature of that charge, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, and that's alleged to have occurred on May 25th, 2025 at the location of Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs, and your vehicle could be subject to immobilization. Do you understand that, sir? Yes?
Yes, sir.
All right. And then the other charge, which is contained in case ending in 0673, is the charge of possession of drug paraphernalia. That is alleged to have occurred also on that same date and at that same location of Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township. You understand that charge, sir?
Yes.
That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. So, sir, with reference to these, the first question I have is, do you wish to be represented by an attorney on this?
Yes, the way this all came about was I was missing, I wasn't getting a lot of mail in my house. I was missing like, my DTE bill and normal bills. And I just retired too, and I didn't receive my retirement check, so I didn't know what was going on. But I received a certified letter that I had to go to the post office to pick up. And that's when I discovered I had a bunch of mail there. So it wasn't undeliverable. And then I had some neighbors in the neighborhood bringing me some of my mail. I
Gotcha.
think it was a mail carrier. They've got a different one since then.
Okay, you're good. Don't worry. You're okay. We got you in here. We issued a show cause. You showed up. So we're good. So if you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
All right. This is public defender cases.
Yeah, we waive, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Carr will waive formal reading, stand mute to the charges, and request another pretrial date.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea on defendant's behalf. Pretrial in these matters will be adjourned to August 6th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Here.
Bond in each of these cases will be set as $5,000 personal recognizance bond. All other standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior, possession of any weapons, no alcohol, recreational marijuana or any illegal drugs. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
And sir, if I were to send you over for a drug test right now, would you come back clean?
Yes.
This moment is fascinating. The judge directly asks if a drug test would come back clean, and Carr answers without hesitation. But then he drops that unexpected twist about discovering drug paraphernalia in his possession. Viewers, what do you think? Is this a case of honest explanation or a carefully crafted defense?
You would?
I've since discovered a piece of drug paraphernalia. I've recently discovered where that came from. I'm not a very happy person about it.
Okay, all right. I'll let you deal with your attorney on that. I'm not gonna send you someone at this point. Okay,
Right here.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Esther Chinula.
Give me on that.
Conrad Silver on behalf
I'll
of
give you a
Pittsfield
call.
Township.
Okay.
Public Defender Natalie Pate with on behalf of Ms. Chula, who is present via Zoom. Ma'am, can you please unmute and state your name for the court?
Hello,
Hello, state your name, please.
my name is Esther Chinula.
Okay, thank you. She's here.
Thank you, Your Honor. It's my understanding that Ms. Chula has taken the written test, however, she still needs to take the road test, so I'm asking for an adjournment so she could get that done to get her license.
Okay, do you have the road test scheduled yet, Ms. Chinula?
Not yet, I'll schedule it on Monday. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
You gonna pass it?
Yeah, I pass it and then I have to schedule for the road test. So I was talking to the
Okay.
court. The court is going to come back to me tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll adjourn this out to August 6, 2025, 9 a.m. All right? Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Your Honor. Thank you so
You're
much,
welcome.
ma'am.
You're so welcome. Thank you, Ms. Chula.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Court calls the case, People versus Jay Dingman.
Conrad Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township in all 4 cases.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Dingman. I checked my notes, so Mr. Dingman has a case in front of Your Honor tomorrow. He did mix up the date and the time at one point, but I did have a note in my file as of about 1 p.m. that he was on the Zoom.
It's like being on the Facebook.
On the
No, I'm kidding. We don't have him checked in. Was that a message from him?
I had a note that his attorney for tomorrow spoke with him about they were trying to speak about tomorrow's case. He called back and said, "I'm sorry, I missed your call. I was on the Zoom for this case. What time is it? Am I at the right time? Because tomorrow is, I think, earlier than this." So there was discussion and notes about him saying he was on this.
And you got that from his attorney or from him?
His attorney's notes in the file. That they had
That they had talked, okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Siller, would you have any objection to an adjournment?
No. If he doesn't show up tomorrow, there'll be more trouble.
Yeah,
I was
exactly.
gonna say, he'll be back tomorrow,
Yes.
so.
August 6, 2025, 9 a.m. All right. Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Marcus Earl.
Conrad Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate for Mr. Earl, who should be present via Zoom.
Yes. Mr. Earl?
Yes.
Okay, I need a camera on.
Let me try it. Hold on. And he's schizophrenic bipolar, so he might be a little crazy, but let me see if I can get the camera.
Okay. Who am I speaking? Who am I speaking
You're
with?
speaking to his mom, Vicky Earl.
Thank you. Okay.
So hold on, let's see. I don't know how to do the camera.
Okay, Mr. Earl,
Yes.
don't worry about it right now. I think I remember this. being coming down, so.
Yes, Your Honor, and that was my understanding, in our communications with Ms. Earl. I would ask for an adjournment. I need to, have a discussion with both Mr. Siller and then a further discussion with Mr. Earl.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna adjourn this one to September 3rd, 2025 at 9 a.m. Okay, Ms. Earl?
Okay, yes.
All right, and then the PD will be in touch with you and your son, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Earl.
Court does call the case People versus Marcus Harris.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Bird on behalf of Marcus Harris.
Marcus Harris? I don't have him.
I did speak with my client a couple times, Your Honor.
Couple times. Today?
Today.
Wow.
And he
What'd you
indicated.
say to him to make him afraid to come?
Oh, no, I didn't
No.
say anything. I said you need to be here. But he indicated to me that his mother is suffering from dementia and doesn't have anybody to watch her at this moment, and was asking if there was a potential time where he could reschedule or adjourn this matter.
There is a bond violation warrant
In which one?
in the one on the bottom, 24.
Oh, yeah. Well, I've got bond violations on him because he hasn't gone over and tested. I would grant an adjournment, but he has a bond violation on his cases. So, bench warrants will issue for the defendant's failure to appear. Bond in each of these will be set in the amount of 10,000. I'll give a 10% privilege. Those warrants will issue immediately.
This is where everything shifts. Bond violations are no small matter, and the judge wastes no time. Immediate bench warrants, $10,000 bond set, and just like that, Harris goes from asking for a reschedule to facing far bigger problems. This is the sharp edge of courtroom accountability, miss your obligations, and the law responds instantly.
Court does call the case of the People versus Brandon Wingate. Take care, sir.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Sunny Viswanath on behalf of Mr. Wingate. Mr. Wingate, can you state your name for the record?
Brandon Wingate.
Your Honor,
Okay,
go ahead.
They did file a substitution. Okay, go ahead.
Your Honor, may I have a breakout room with the city attorney?
No, that's not how we do it here.
He's approved for double parking. He has a valid license. Do you want to admit that?
Are we okay with that?
Yes.
Yes, we're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
You're right.
Count to double parking. If you accept admission, move to dismiss original charge.
Agreed.
All right, Mr. Wingate,
Yes.
do you admit responsibility to the fact that on May 30th, 2025, at the location in Pittsfield Township of Carpenter Road, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes.
All right, court will accept that admission to count two. Count one is dismissed. Fines and costs of $180. When can you get that paid, sir?
In 10 days. I can get it paid today. I can get it paid today.
What happened? You all of a sudden, what? You would look down and found money? Or how come you were asking me 10 days and then all of a sudden you had it?
Because I want to get it out the way. It's better if I can wait 10 days, but sorry.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Yeah, it's better if I can wait 10 days, honestly. But I will be borrowing from a pretty late bill to do so, but 10 days would be very appreciated.
Mr. Wingate. Mr. Wingate, do you need a little bit of time to get it paid?
Yeah, I do.
That's gonna make your life easier?
It would.
Am I here to make his life easier? Or mine? I should? No? Yeah, he looks like a good guy. Here's what we'll do. Mr. Wingate, get it paid by July 31st. Will that give you enough time?
Yes, it would. Thank you.
All you gotta do is ask, but that's okay. We got it. July 31st. Thank you, sir. Thank you, counsel.
Greatly appreciate it, Your Honor.
Take care.
Take care.
Today's session had it all: light-hearted exchanges, compassionate extensions, and hardline enforcement. Some defendants walked away with reduced charges and time extensions, while others now face the weight of a bench warrant. The balance between empathy and enforcement was on full display. If you found this case as intriguing as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.